What's up guys, welcome back. Finally we are starting the new headquarters. The Bafiri headquarters is going to be built right behind me here on this pad. I'm super excited for this. It is going to put the Hondini build on hold for a little bit now. It was already on hold because obviously I haven't been working this year due to all the rain. If you don't know that, I'm a concreter and obviously we can't pour concrete in the rain. So sort of bank accounts gone down. So yeah, we're a bit stuck there. Now, I'm gonna fill you in at the start now, just so everyone knows what's going on. I think I owe it to you guys anyway, but I did split with my wife last year. So things have been a little bit tough. I'll keep it short, try not to get too emotional here, but the reason this is possible is because of my mother. Now, I said I'm trying not to get emotional, but she is next level, okay? Yous will meet her one day on the channel, but you know, mum, you know, good mums are here. She's at the top. Everything and anything I've done, yeah, she's supported me, and she just does her best, and she is helping us build this. We're going to be renting this though, off her, so but this is why this is possible, because of her. So she believes in me just like most of you guys do, and what we're trying to do here. So and bear with me, but when we get the ball rolling, the workshop set up, and we're back into the Hondini build, and I've got some big plans and other car builds in the future, as we are going to just be building race cars on this channel. Maybe one day we might dip into some street cars and things, but for now I really want to do custom, unique race car builds. So, and not just the same thing. I want to do all sorts of different race cars and things like that, because I just love anything with wheels and engines. So and that's what I want to do. I want to build all of it, do the whole thing, just us and just with my mates and you guys, of course. But yeah, I thought I'd fill you in, guys. I think, like I said, I owe it to you. So yeah, my mum is an investor for the Bafiri YouTube channel. So thanks, mum, if you're watching this, and I'm sure all of you guys will be very thankful for her too, because it's going to be amazing. It's going to be set up nice. Everything's going to have its spot, and the videos are going to be so much better for you guys, guaranteed. And yeah, enough talking. I'm going to do a massive cleanup, get all this stuff out, organized, so we can start putting some stuff, bringing some stuff over here into this shed. And yeah, hopefully when it dries out properly, it's going to take still a couple of weeks, I think, but at least I can start setting this up soon. Alright, ancient Egyptian style of trying to move a F100 chassis by yourself. Well guys, it looks so much cleaner. A bit dark in here, no lights because the power's off. I've got to run new power through. We need 15 amp so we can run our plasma in here. But you could see what it looked like before. So eventually this will come out of the shed, probably sell that chassis. We got big plans for this F100 build. I'll explain a bit more in another episode, I think, when it gets closer, because it's a long way off. Man, I've been doing this for hours. It's time to run some heavier cable over to the shed. It's only 10 amp, we want 15 because the plasma takes 15 amp. So that's what we're gonna give it. Ah, what a mission, feeding cables through. I'm gonna spray WD-40 down there. It's hot up here. Could I be an electrician? 100%. Just run some cables, charge like a wounded bull. I'm gonna cut the red wire. Am I qualified for this? Absolutely not. I actually started my electrical apprenticeship. How many years ago is that now? Shit. Can't even count to that many. So here goes nothing. Alright, that was scary. Let's see if the lights work. It don't work. Believe it or not, guys, but I thought I just blew up my parents' house, okay? What are the chances of that? Me, the only day doing electrical work, and the power company shut down the power for maintenance. Believe it or not, but that is what happened. So yeah, I mean, that's a good thing, I suppose, but we'll find out if it does work when they turn the power back on. Then we can turn this on. The sun is out, but it still continues to rain of an afternoon, so all over in the yard there is very soft, boggy, but up here on this gravel, it's not too bad. It's kind of a bit higher, all the water falls away here, and then obviously the neighbours then falls that way. So I think we can set this out and drill some footings. Let's do it. This is my tripod. Now this is a Spectra Precision laser. Precision, can't even talk properly. I have used this for many years, probably 8 years, and I've had it serviced once. But man, makes life easy to the millimeter. I like the fact that it reads in millimeters. All the concrete on it. Alright, so laser is on, it self levels. You've probably all seen this before, but it tells you it works in, I think it's 48 mil each way, or is it 40? So 30 too low, and then you obviously go up to the millimeter, 0. How cool is that? Good bit of gear. Yeah, and it's raining again, and there is lots coming. I cannot catch a break, guys. Can't catch a break, I'll tell you, this is crazy. I think we've had like 4 meters of rain since December, since Christmas time. Sit here and wait now. Now this is pretty close. Now I'm going to get someone to come and help me do the diagonals, so from one corner to the other, and that's more accurate than 3-4-5ing it. So now we just got to measure our 7 meters, but we do have to add some on because we've got a rebate. So I'll double check that, and we're going to add on the rebate, and that way the sheets can slide down the side. But when we do the slab, you'll understand. All right, so I've pulled up the shed plans, and the total width is 7 meters, total length is 12 meters. But because we're adding a rebate in the edge of the slab, we're going to screw a timber on the formwork, which then allows that sheet, sort of like vermin proofing, and it's really a lot easier to sheet the walls because you just put some 2mm packers underneath each sheet, and you got that little air gap. Sheets won't rust, and it's all nice and flat, neat. I like it. A little bit extra work putting the rebate on, but worth it. So in doing that, imagine you've got, say, 43mm. By the time we cut a 90mm saw thickness of the blade, I think it's, yeah, 43 and 43 is 86mm we need to add. So 43mm each side. So the total would then be 7 meters and 86, and then it'll be 12 meters and 86. So that's what we need to do. Well guys, we've officially marked out the slab. We've drilled our footings, our piers. There's a lot of water in the bottom of them from all the rain. Check that out. And some roots, we'll trim them, but pretty well every hole has got water in it. That's how deep all this rain has gone. It's gone that far into the ground. All the worms have come out of the earth, drowning. That's how bad it is. The worms are drowning. But yeah, I'm excited. The next video, we'll be setting up the slab, formwork, dust, steel, all that. A couple of lads are coming to give me a hand, so it's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun, so keep a lookout for that in the next video. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.